Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the ear speaker problem in your device OnePlus 9RT. Before starting the video, if you're new here, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 9RT you are having issue related to the ear speaker, or you can say the calling speaker, you can solve this problem by the method as I'm showing in my this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the ear speaker problem in your device. Let's watch it.